how axolotls regrow limbs, a biological marvel. Meet the axolotl, a truly remarkable creature. Often called the Mexican walking fish, this nickname is actually quite misleading. They aren't fish at all, they're amphibians, specifically a type of salamander native to only two lakes in Mexico, Xochimilco and Chalco, though sadly, Chalco no longer exists. Axolotls are incredibly unique because, unlike most salamanders, they remain aquatic their entire lives, retaining their larval features into adult, though the process scientists call neoteny. This means they keep their feathery external gills and a tail fin, giving them that fish-like appearance, which contributes to the common misnomer. It's truly remarkable what axolotls can do when faced with injury. They possess an almost unbelievable ability to completely regenerate lost limbs. We're talking a full arm or leg, perfectly restored. But it doesn't stop there. They can also regrow their spinal cords, which is incredibly complex tissue. And perhaps most astonishingly, they can even repair damage to parts of their brains without any lasting effects. This regenerative capability sets them apart from virtually every other animal on Earth, making them a subject of intense scientific study. What's truly remarkable isn't just that an axolotl can regrow lost limbs, but how it does so. It's a complete restoration. The new tissue isn't merely patching things up, it's a perfect reconstruction of the original structure. Imagine losing a leg and having it grow back exactly as it was before, with all its intricate muscles, bones, nerves, and blood vessels. That's precisely what happens here. This process ensures full functionality is restored. Crucially, there's no scarring involved. Either the new tissue integrates seamlessly into the existing body. It's a testament to the axolotl's incredible biological machinery. When an axolotl suffers an injury, a lost limb, even significant damage to its spinal cord, something truly remarkable happens. The area around the wound doesn't just heal, it undergoes a dramatic transformation. You'll notice a swelling, a bulge appearing at the site of the injury. This isn't scar tissue forming, it's something far more extraordinary, a blastema. Think of it as a miniature construction zone, a concentrated mass of cells that are essentially blank slates. These undifferentiated cells have an incredible potential. They can become anything needed to repair the damage, from bone and muscle to nerves and skin. It's this ability to rebuild complex structures from scratch that makes axolotls so fascinating for scientists studying regeneration. Mammals, including humans, have a remarkable ability to heal, but often that healing results in scar tissue, a barrier preventing further regeneration. Axolotls take a completely different approach. They've evolved an incredibly sophisticated system that actively prevents scar formation. It's not enough just to avoid damage. Axolotls release specific signaling molecules, chemical messengers that directly encourage cells to divide and migrate into the damaged area. These signals essentially tell the cells, don't form a wall, rebuild. This proactive approach is key to their incredible regenerative capabilities. The remarkable regenerative abilities of axolotls aren't just about cells dividing, they're orchestrated by precise molecular signals. One crucial player in this process is a molecule called neuregulin-1, often shortened to NETRG1. Think of it as a key switch that activates the blastema, that mass of undifferentiated cells at the site of injury. NERG1 doesn't just tell the blastema to grow, it specifically directs its development. ensuring that the new limb structures form correctly. It guides the placement and differentiation of tissues, helping build everything from bones and muscles to nerves and blood vessels in precisely the right locations. This sophisticated molecular signaling is a huge part of what allows axolotls to regrow entire limbs with such incredible accuracy. What's truly remarkable about the axolotl is what its genome reveals about regeneration. Scientists have discovered that this creature's DNA contains genes specifically responsible for regrowth, genes that are actually switched on during the amazing process of limb, tail, and even spinal cord regeneration. The fascinating part: these genes exist in other species, including humans. However, in us, they're typically dormant or inactive. It suggests that we have the potential for similar regenerative abilities. It's just a matter of figuring out how to unlock them. Studying axolotls gives researchers invaluable clues about this hidden capability, potentially offering pathways towards breakthroughs in human medicine and healing. The axolotl's potential impact on human health is truly remarkable. Scientists around the world are intensely focused on understanding how these amphibians can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts, all without scaring. It's not just about regrowing a leg, it's about rebuilding complex tissues with incredible precision. Researchers believe that by deciphering the genetic mechanisms behind this extraordinary ability, we could potentially unlock new treatments for devastating human injuries and diseases. Imagine being able to heal spinal cord damage, regenerate damaged organs like kidneys or liver, or even repair heart tissue after a cardiac event. The axle holds clues to making these possibilities a reality. The remarkable regenerative abilities of axolotls aren't just about stem cells. There's a surprising amount happening at a structural level too. Recent research is highlighting the crucial role played by the extracellular matrix, that complex network of proteins and molecules surrounding every cell in their bodies. Think of it as scaffolding. It provides support and signals to guide cellular behavior. Scientists are discovering that this matrix isn't just a passive bystander during regeneration, but actively directs how cells migrate, differentiate, and rebuild lost tissues, whether it's a limb, its spinal cord, or even parts of its heart. Understanding the precise composition and organization of this extracellular matrix in axolotls could unlock entirely new approaches to regenerative medicine for humans. We're essentially learning that regeneration isn't just about what cells do, but also about where they go and how they're guided. The axolotl's remarkable ability to regenerate isn't just a biological marvel, it's fundamentally reshaping our understanding of tissue repair. Scientists around the world are intensely studying these amphibians, hoping to unlock the secrets behind their incredible healing powers. Imagine losing a limb. For most animals, that's permanent. But an axolotl can completely regrow lost limbs, including bones, muscles, nerves, and even parts of its brain, without any scarring. This process involves complex molecular signaling pathways that are largely dormant in other species. By observing how these pathways function in the axolotl, researchers are identifying potential targets for therapeutic intervention in humans. The hope is that we can eventually harness this regenerative capacity to treat injuries like spinal cord damage, organ failure, and even limb loss, truly transforming medicine as we know it.